Are you willing to go through your wilderness? You want to make it to your destination. You have goals, ideas, dreams that you really want to get to. Two things I hear people say. They even say, man, I don't have enough money. Or they say, man, I don't have enough time. One thing is a fact. You're going to have to find one of them. You got to find one of them. So if you don't have the money, it's cool. But you're going to have to utilize your time. And if you don't have the time, you're going to have the money. You see what I'm saying? But you're going to have to use one of them. And you're going to have to be willing to go through the wilderness. That's one thing and one fact I have learned about life. People ask me, how are you starting to gain your momentum? I've been putting in the work. You go back for 2 years consistently. I was dropping archives, dropping videos, sticking to the script, never changing up. And I got a lot of people that told me that's the reason they stick with me and that's the reason they mess with me, because I never switched it up. I stuck to the script. Are you willing to go through the wilderness? You know, Moses went through the wilderness for 40 years. The children of Israel, 40 years. So let's just break that down in 2 20-year sentences. And let's just say, are you willing to go through it for 2 years? Be dedicated. Walk alone. Ain't nobody else walking with you. You walking. But those who are meant to walk with you gonna find you because they walking too. They just haven't run across your path yet. But you gotta be willing to go through the wilderness. So there's no secret. There's no shortcut. You're gonna have to do one of the two. Have the time or have the assets, the resources, the money. Hold on.